Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'll explain what a cookie is and show you the simplest way to get and use it. A cookie is a long string of information, like this. When you log in using a cookie, your browser automatically sends it to the server and logs you in. You don't need to enter your username, password, or any other security details. Now I'll show you how to log in with a cookie and how to export a cookie as well. To log in using a cookie, you can use the bot, but first I'll show you the manual method. I'll open Instagram. Next, you need to install this extension, Cookie Editor. After installing it, I'll copy the cookie value that I already have here. This is the case when you already have a cookie. Later, I'll show you how to get one. Now I click on the extension. You'll see the import section here. Paste the cookie value you just copied. Then simply reload the page. Your account will be logged directly into Instagram. No username, no password, and no extra security verification required. That's how you log in using a cookie. Most platforms also support cookie login. Now, how do you export a cookie? Click on Cookie Editor again. Here, choose Export. Select the header string format. After exporting, you'll get a new cookie string like this. You can use either the old cookie or the new one. Both will work for login. A cookie usually lasts about 1 month. If you change your security settings, the cookie will also change. That's how cookie login works. Now, with the Instagram bot, the system automatically prioritizes logging in with cookies. For accounts that don't have cookies yet, the bot will automatically generate them. For example, with this user, I'll search in the bot's search box. This is an account that is already logged in. Now I'll remove this account information. If you want to log in using cookies, you can simply copy all account data and add them in bulk, as I showed in the previous video. Now, if you want to automatically generate cookies for multiple accounts quickly, and those accounts don't already have cookies, you just need to copy the basic information, the username, the password, and the 2FA code. Paste them here. Select the account category. Enter the required format step by step. Then save to complete adding the new account to the bot. You can see this account does not have a cookie yet. Now the bot will automatically log in and retrieve the cookie for that account. It's very simple. Just right-click and select Login to Instagram. If the account already has a cookie, it will automatically log in using that cookie. This saves a lot of time. In this case on the screen, there is no cookie yet. The bot will log in manually. It enters the username, then automatically enters the password. For those who are not familiar, the 2FA code is a string of uppercase letters. The bot will automatically convert it into a 6-digit code to pass the OTP security step. After the bot logs in successfully, it takes about 30 seconds to automatically retrieve the cookie. Once the cookie appears in the software interface, it means the login process is complete and the account has been saved. With this bot, you don't need to open each browser manually. Managing multiple accounts becomes much easier. You can see the cookie displayed here. That's the full tutorial about Instagram account cookies. You can use the cookie to log in directly, or you can use the Insta marketing bot to automatically generate cookies and log in with them, so you don't have to do everything manually. If you manage many accounts, doing it manually would be very time-consuming. That's the end of this video. If you're interested in this Instagram bot tool, feel free to message me on Telegram or WhatsApp. See you in the next video.